This is a global online fashion retail company that relies the way we shop to trendy fashion product. Keyclub.net is a leading global wholesale supplier from the latest fashion product including shoes, slides, cloth, hat, and accessories from Nike to Easy, Adidas to White Off, and even designer brand like Dior and Gucci. They have it all. Alright, let's get into the main event. Air Jordan 4 Black Cat. Remember, if you want to grab a pair of yourself, the link keyclub.net in the description below. Plus, use TBP code for a 15% off discount. Just look at these beauties, the sleek, the black design, and premium materials. These are the must-have you sneaker hats. And the best part is you can get them the greater price on keyclub.net. Make sure to check out keyclub.net and follow for them social media for latest update and deals. The links including the social media and special discount code in my description. So what are you waiting? Head over is keyclub.net, use TBP 15% off and join the Discord community for the latest deals and more. Thanks for watching. Do more review. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe. See you the next video. Thank you.